Hello students, in active and passive voice, today we are going to learn part 4. We had already earlier discussed simple present tense, simple past tense, present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Now in this part, we will learn the present perfect tense and past perfect tense. Before going to learn this, first of all, what is the syntax of active voice of the present perfect tense and what is the syntax of the passive voice of the present perfect tense? Now present perfect tense. Generally, subject is always there. Here we will have to use either has or have. Subject plus have or has. I, we, you, they, with which generally we all are using have, and with he, she, it, as is always used. And in present perfect tense, generally always V3 is there. And thereafter object. For example, I have taken camera from my friend. Okay? He has played cricket. Thereafter, such type of the so many sentence we can give. Okay, we have eaten pani puri. They have drunk Pepsi and cola. So such type of the example we can give. And in passive voice, object always come first. Thereafter has or have will be used according to the object. Thereafter only one change is there. Mr. Bean in present as well as past perfect tense will be added. So here been word will be used and V3 same will be used here, and then by plus subject. And in the negative sentence only not will be added, nothing more than that. Subject plus have plus or has plus not plus V3 plus object, and here the same thing, object have or has plus not Mr. Bean V3 by subject. And in interrogative sentence, has or have will be come first, thereafter subject V3 object. Have you eaten pani puri? Have you drunk Pepsi cola? Why have you drunk Pepsi cola? Why have you visited Agra? Such type of the word we can, such type of an example we can give of an interrogative sentence. The same thing, has or have, object, been plus subject, nothing more than that. Now we will go for examples. Which are examples? Nitesh has challenged her. So here now it is also challenge for all of you. Here it is the has, that is why always V3, and here her. Her is an object. So object is there. When object will come here, it will be converted into subjective case. So her will be changed into she. She has been challenged by Nitesh. So if there is here him, it will be converted into he. If there are them, then here will come they. If there is us, then what will come? Here we have been. So this is the difference that you will have to learn very easily. Thereafter, second here, Radhika has not written an article. This is the negative sentence. So here you can see it is an object. An article has not been. You don't forget to put been. been written by Radhika. In present perfect tense as well as in past perfect tense, Mr. Bean will be there. Thereafter, have they left the apartment? So only difference you can see have. For example, if we want to convert this sentence or this sentence into an interrogative sentence, we will have to put that word here. Same thing in the passive voice, this word we will have to put here. Then it will be considered as an interrogative passive voice. Now here you can see, have they left the apartment? Has an apartment been left by them? So it is very easy. Some more example we can give of the past perfect tense, by which only difference between them is has, have and had. Here in the past perfect tense, only difference is that had will be used instead of the has or have. So here you can see subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Same in the passive voice, object had been V3 by plus objective case of the subject. And in the negative sentence, only one word will be added, and that is not. And here you can see object will also be used. Thereafter, object plus had not, Mr. Bean, V3 by and subject. And in interrogative sentence, had will come first. If any other words like WH or how, then it will also come first. We will have to use as it is an interrogative sentence. Now some of the example I would like to give. Misa. Misa had cleaned the floor. Here you can see this is an object. The floor had been cleaned by Misa. So this is very easy. If it is the present perfect tense, instead of the has, here instead of the had it will be used here has. Same thing will be used here has. Here you can see Vidhi had not received the parcel. The parcel had not been received by Vidhi. So very easy. It is a negative sentence. Only the difference is that here it is not will be used after had and before been. So this is the only difference you will have to keep in your mind. And another example, active voice, Vishal had solved the doubt. It is an object. Object will come first. Vishal had will be remain same. Solved will remain V3 into V3. Additional Mr. Bean will be added. So the doubt had been solved by Vishal. So it is really very easy. And some of the example I had given in this slide, so it will be very clarified. Here you can see the both present tense as well as the past tense, both are used. Here you can see one first example is for the present perfect tense and the second example is for the past perfect tense. So it will be cleared your whatever the problem in your mind regarding the sentences. I have or had played cricket. Cricket has or had been played by me. So it is very easy. Now you can, if there is any kind of the confusion, it will be cleared for all of you. Okay. Now second question, second sentence, that regarding the an interrogative sentence. When, have or had I played cricket? Same, when will be remain same. have or has according to the cricket. Had, there will be no change in the had. But if there is have or has according to the object, it will be converted, it will be changed. When has or had cricket been played by me? We can say. So this is the very easy active voice as well as the passive voice that you will have to learn. And I will give more example regarding this. Thank you.